excited to open this. Cannot wait.
If you don't know what meltdown.com is, I suggest you go check it out. It is wig products. I do want to definitely try different wigs, different colors, play with different looks. I don't want to necessarily put my hair through all that, you know, stripping it of color, putting new color, etc., etc. Wigs are definitely something that I definitely want to play around with. And meltdown.com was nice enough to send me this box, so I'm really excited to unbox it and see what's inside.
I don't think we're ready for this journey.
I don't even know how to do this. Oh my god, oh my god. Starting right now. We don't need any of that. Okay, I have to show you. I have to show you now because it's like I can't just, you know.
A few moments later.
Ooh, goodies. I cannot wait to start going through these and individually showing you what they sent. I'm so excited. So excited. Look how cute it is. Tell me why this is so exciting to me. I don't know. I think I have too much of an issue with flyaways and hairspray, and I don't like hairspray. So I feel like this is gonna be exciting for me. I don't have one. So I don't know how this one works, but I'm excited about this. I'm dying to try this one. This is a wick lace glue. That's pretty cool. And then glue remover, just as important. Glue gel with argan oil. That's important. The Meltdown grip. Who doesn't want edge control? Those are all the products. Thank you so much, meltdown.com, for sending these to me. I am so excited to try these out, and I can't wait to try this, the edge control and the wax stick. That was the unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed that quick unboxing. It was kind of a quick one, but I figured we get to the point today. If you want to see a review, let me know, comment, all that good stuff. Like, share, and subscribe like always. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.